Hello everybody. Did it ever happen to you to be feeling very cold in your office and maybe outside it's very hot? Well, that's a typical example of energy inefficiency. Actually, the estimation is that in the buildings we are wasting 30% of the energy. Means 30% of the energy we consume could have been saved. Hello everybody, I'm Alonso Romero, I'm the CEO of the Predictive Company and we're here to solve these kind of issues. That is a little example of the things that we can do, but actually there are many solutions to manage energy efficiency in buildings. They're mainly based on displaying and showing you what do you consume, and you can achieve some saving thanks to that. But machines are mainly reactive. What does it mean? That if the temperature, for example, goes up outside, now the air conditioner will start working very hard and it will consume lots of energy. But if we can predict that this is going to happen in 2 hours, and maybe half an hour before I can already make the machine work harder, and so that, but in an optimal point so that it doesn't consume too much, we will achieve the same result. So prediction is the key. And that's what we do. Our solution basically captures all the data from the building, it combines it with other variables, it creates a model of the building, and that helps also to create a prediction of the future consumption so that the machines can better adapt to that need. That means the algorithm is then able to control the machines and make them work at their optimal stage so that it will be more efficient. This means savings for you, so you reduce your consumption, you save money, and you reduce your CO2 emissions. At the same time, the algorithm understands how the machines work and the way they consume energy, which means also they can anticipate possible failures of those machines. So that's the predictive maintenance. Meaning we have two solutions, energy efficiency and predictive maintenance, just in one. This is a technology that has been developed by the Politecnica of Catalonia. They have been working for 10 years in this field, and they already applied this technology with some of these customers. Now our plan is really to package it and bring it to the market to a larger audience. And we have already 3 pilot projects we're working on. It's a big market, but most of all, it's also a growing market. Our plan really is to finish our MVPs by the end of this year, have a seed round next year, and so that we can then organically grow to have a global expansion in a few years. The team is composed by 2 professors from university. We have Professor Luis Romeral, who is an expert in the energy efficiency field. We have Professor Miguel Delgado, who's an expert in IoTs, in artificial intelligence. And from the business side, there's Natalia and there's me, both with a mixed experience between big corporations but also startups. These are all the entities that are helping us already. They trust us and they invested in us. And we're very proud of that. But what makes us very proud as well is the fact that thanks to our technology, we're playing a very important role in fighting against climate change. So whether you will invest in us or you will use our technology, please join us in our journey. Thank you very much.